Hello my friends, welcome to this video in which I will show you how to place lampshades on a lamp. Let's go. So in the previous video I've shown you how to repair this lamp which was in a bad shape. So now let's see how we can place the lampshades. So in the worst case, this here is almost repairable, but it requires a bit of work. So finally I went to the flea market and I found a set of 4 lampshades, because initially there were 4 but I lost one branch, so we're going for 3. The little challenge we had here was to find small ones so that they're not disturbing each other. So here I went on the flea market for buying these 4 lampshades. The little challenge was to find small ones, and I already made the demonstration about the discount you find in the flea market. But here I got the 4 lampshades for the half of the price of a new one. Now let's place these lampshades. Quick analysis of the situation. You see here this is a socket with these grooves enabling to place the ring for holding the lampshade. So we're starting by removing the bulb. Here for the demo I'm showing you with this structure of a lampshade. You place it and then you place the ring. Voila. So here there will be an issue, is that the lampshades will be disturbing each other. So now I'm bending this one. Okay. So here I'm selecting these 3 shades. So this one is a small one, very nice, but the diameter is not good for the lamp holder. Then I have another one, very convenient because you clips the lampshade on the bulb. And then I have this one, also very nice, but here I have the same issue. The diameter is not good. So what do you do when you don't have the right diameter? It's very easy to see. You have essentially 2 sizes, a 14 and the 27. So now we're placing this adapter into the lampshade. Unfortunately, it happens quite often here. The diameter is not good for the adapter. So I will be showing you in the next video how to find alternative means. So I see you in a second on Happy Hour TV 1.